Hello friends, Dondy members, welcome to another video. This is Alon from the Dondy team. Today we're going to talk about how to build a WhatsApp campaign and send it. Let's get straight into it. So from the Dondy homepage, we'll click on Manage Campaigns. Here we can see our dashboard with the campaigns we've created, our balance, our daily usage, and our daily messaging limit. So the balance you will need to top up in order to send messages with Dondy. The daily limit reflects your tier in Meta. So if you're verified, it would start from 2K, 2,000 messages a day. If you're not verified, it would start from 250. We strongly recommend to verify, and we can help you do this. Just reach out, and we'll explain to you how to do so. On the dashboard, we can see the status of each campaign and the analytics: how many sent, how many delivered, how many read, ROAS, spent, etc. We can also send a test campaign to make sure our campaign looks good. We recommend to do this before sending out to thousands or hundreds of people. Send it to us, send it to yourself, or to a colleague to make sure the campaign looks good. To create a campaign, we'll click on Create Campaign and give it a name. For example, let's go with Ramadan campaign. Then we need to choose our segment. Who out of our customers on Shopify do we want to target? We'll head to Customer Segments, create segments on the top right. Use this very cool AI feature. Describe your segment in words, for example, and you can be very specific. Customers who spent over 500 during the last half year, let's say. You search, and it will automatically give you that list of customers. You can also use ready-made templates by Shopify. For example, customers who spent a large amount per order recently, or high-spent customers with a recent purchase. Engage your VIP customers. You can customize each and every one of these. Let's go, for example, with customers who are top spenders during the last 3 months. We can see it up top. We can see the amount of customers, and when we click Save, we'll give it a name. And once saved, we'll be able to use this segment within the Dondy app. So there we see it. That's the segment we just created. And we'll continue building our campaign. We'll choose which template we want to use. We have many examples here for you to use. The language. If you want to add a discount code, you can do so here and mention in the text. You can also, to get creative, use our AI writing assistant. Choose what is your goal. For example, convert customers who have already purchased. Convert customers who have already purchased. Select the tone. You'll get a few options to play with. Choose the one that you like. You can edit it some more, make shorter, make longer, add more emojis. Let's make this one a bit longer and use that text. Amazing. Next, we can add an image, a video, or a carousel of multiple products. This will include direct URLs to the product page. The goal in mind, trying to get our customer with one click back to the website. We add an image. We'll go to Content in Shopify Files and simply copy the URL. Have a quick look on the right to make sure it looks good. Same goes with video. Just make sure you're staying within the limits and file type. If you want to do a carousel, you can choose between the button types. If you're using a URL, upload your image URLs from the content files in Shopify. Then you can describe your product on the card text, add a call to action, and simply paste the URL of the product page you wish the customer will reach. You can add multiple cards. Just make sure you're adding URLs that work correctly. That will take the customer to the desired product page. We'll go up. We can have a look what we've done already. We've added the text. We've chosen a segment. We've gone for a carousel, so multiple products with direct URLs. We've added our call to actions and a short description. Looks good. Down below, this is a nice feature. We can exclude customers who received marketing message recently. This is to help with the balance between marketing and spam. So we don't want to reach out to our customers 5 times a day. We want to be balanced and mindful. So this way we can help balance this and say, I want to look 1 week back. Whoever received marketing messages from me, leave out of this next campaign. Another quick look to make sure everything looks good. And we can go ahead and create the draft. Once created, we'll see the status is pending. It needs to be approved by Meta. If you're verified, it should be very quick. We can see now it's approved. We'll go ahead and schedule the campaign. We'll see the customer count and the total estimated price. Let's say we're scheduling it in the future, in a week or so. Choose the time. And there it is. Our campaign is scheduled. We see the time and date that it's about to be sent. Make sure you have enough balance. And be sure to look on the dashboard once the campaign is sent to look over your results. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.